Thank you very much for the kind introduction. A pleasant afternoon to each and every one of you. Mabuhay UP Manila! To our Chancellor, the Honorable Manuel Agulto, and His Excellency President Joseph Estrada, and all the distinguished guests here and the student body. Well, I would like to thank the Chancellor for putting up this, shall we say, not Trila in Manila, because when you say Trila in Manila, it's a boxing bout. There will be, I assure you, there will be no boxing bout between President Joseph Estrada and myself. We will just discuss issues here and explain our lines here and trace out what are the right things to be done. Well, I was listening a while ago. Doon sa mga sinabing mga problema, rest assured, Mr. Chancellor, that I'll give the necessary orders to the agencies concerned to redouble their efforts to ensure the safety and security of the student body. And also, with respect to the cleanliness of the surroundings, unfortunately, the city engineer and the head of the Department of Public Services are not around, but rest assured, they will be given this standing instruction so that within 2 weeks' time, you will see the difference of what's going on here around the vicinity of the UP campus. That's what we're going to do. And as you are well aware of, our battle cry or slogan is linisin, ikarangal ang Maynila. Kaya ho tayo naririto dahil lahat tayo interesado na malinis ang kapaligiran. Para sa paglalakad natin sa mga karsada rito, makakarating tayo sa ating paroroonan na ligtas tayo sa anumang kapahamakan. Kaya nga ho, at this is a blessing in disguise na nasabi kung ano mga problema. And rest assured that within 2 weeks' time, there will be a complete change here in the vicinity of UP Manila. Thank you.
Yan.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Mayor Fedolim. Ang pangako ni Mayor within... Galing talaga ng mga taga-UP Genius. May inom ng gin, nagbabasa ng news. Nyek, joke lang. Mamatay kayo sa kakornihan.
Segue lang po, we would like to acknowledge the presence of the Director of IPA of UP Manila, Dr. Tony Lichon. Now, moving on to the second speaker.
Ang bilis mo naman mag-move on?
Siyempre.
Mahirap pa pala maging girlfriend. Sige. Go!
To introduce to us our second speaker, may we call on the Chair of the Department of Social Sciences, Professor Carl Mark Ramota.
Good afternoon, everyone. Our next speaker was born on April 19, 1937 in Tondo, Manila. His parents, Engineer Emilio Ejercito and Maria Marcelo, moved to San Juan where he grew up. Recently, he returned to Manila where he continues to reside to this day. His primary education was obtained at the Jesuit-run Ateneo de Manila University. He later took up an engineering course at the Mapua Institute of Technology. In his early 20s, he became a movie actor by accident, but later proved himself to be an accomplished thespian, starring in a string of well-received films.